If you're looking to make any habitat for wildlife in your own garden, then look no further. You've come to the right place, because I will personally give you free tailored advice when you buy from our online shop, wildyourgarden.com. And why should you buy from us? Well, we can send you plants like this, water plantain, homegrown in the UK, absolutely fantastic for pollinators. One of the great marginal plants that I put in all of my wildlife ponds. This one's going in the wildlife pond behind me here. We can also send you other marginal plants such as this ragged robin, which looks absolutely great. Look at that, ready for pollinators, and again going in this pond behind me here. So check out wildyourgarden.com, because we can offer these in peat-free 9cm pots like this one, along with super plugs as well. If you haven't got the budget to buy bigger plants, it's a really great way to try and make habitats for wildlife in your own garden by simply planting the plants that are going to attract the pollinators, because plants are the key. Without them, you won't get the insects, you won't get the hedgehogs, you won't get the birds. It will be a barren wasteland. So we need plants like this in our own gardens. We also offer all the liner and fleece options along with subsoil to make a wildlife pond like this. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be this big for wildlife. But we can also offer you the boulders as well, like some of you will have seen in some of my wildlife pond videos. So there's everything that you will need to make one of these habitats in your own garden. We also now offer a whole range of fruit trees as well, many types of shrubs that are great for wildlife, along with bird feeders, bird food, bird boxes, and, as I've already said, free tailored advice when you're buying from us. Now you go and find another online shop that offers you that. Anyway, I just wanted to leave this short video here so that any of you making a wildlife pond or any habitat for wildlife, check out wildyourgarden.com before you do, and drop us an email, inquiries@wildyourgarden.com, so that we can help you create a habitat for wildlife, because we want you to get it right to make it good for all the wildlife also. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all very soon.